My name is Sutsakan Sayapantong, and I'm a counselor here at Crafton Hills College. Every fall, we offer our senior day. This year, we invited over 700 students to campus. We welcome them with various workshops. This year, our workshops included fine arts, language arts, social sciences. Students also got an opportunity to hear about our EOPS program and different avenues of financial aid that they can look at to help offset the cost of college. Our goal with the senior day is to bring students on campus and introduce them to Crafton, introduce them to our different degrees and certifications, our services we provide, and really make them feel welcome and see Crafton as their first choice in higher education. We're right in their backyard, and many students don't realize the easy access they have to higher education living in the Inland Empire, and we want to make sure that they see Crafton as one of their top choices to go to college after high school. For students that didn't get an opportunity to attend our high school visitation day, they have an opportunity to come up to our campus at any time. They can ask for a campus tour. They can come up to our career center and get information on undecided majors. We'll help walk them through that. They can come up to counseling and get general information on our campus. We are more than happy to welcome them with open arms to our campus.